In this video, we will explore the Chiclet slicer in the Inforiver Super Filter, which allows users to display images in the visual, enhancing the interactivity and visual appeal of the filter. Let's get started. We begin by adding Inforiver Super Filter to the report and adjusting its size and position. Next, we will populate the category data field with the image URL column. Then we navigate to the Format pane and turn off the alphanumeric toggle in the Facet Filter section. Set the view type to Tile View for optimal image display, and you can disable the responsive tile toggle if needed. Now we set the height of the category panel in the filter. First, go to the Category Style section and choose Image URL from the Categories dropdown. Then, set the height to 600. Next, go to the Display Settings section and turn on the Image Data toggle. Now, you should see the images displayed in the filter. Now we will make a few adjustments to the tile view for better visual representation of the Chiclet slicer. So, navigate to the Facet Filter section and set the tile height to 50 and the tile radius to 30. You will now see that the Chiclet slicer looks great in the Inforiver Super Filter. This feature offers a visually engaging way to filter and analyze data, especially useful in scenarios where images are an integral part of the dataset, such as product catalogs or user profiles. This is how users can use images in Inforiver Super Filter to make data more engaging and easier to analyze. Download the Inforiver Super Filter today to unlock its powerful filtering capabilities. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.